In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know how to build a PDF from existing files. Scanned paper, a web page, your clipboard, and even a blank page. Plus how to make quick edits and save your work with confidence. Start by opening Acrobat and heading to the Tools tab. Choose Create PDF. If you already have content on your computer, pick single file to convert one document, or multiple files if you want to combine several. You can bring in documents, spreadsheets, or images, and Acrobat will convert them into a polished PDF. This is great for turning reports, slide decks, and photos into a shareable, locked format. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right files, so your final PDF is exactly what you expect. If you are working from paper, stay in the Create PDF tool and choose Scanner. Place your pages in the scanner, make sure they're aligned, and start the scan. Acrobat will capture the pages and convert them into an editable PDF, so you can search text and make corrections as needed. Clear, well-lit originals and straight page placement will give you the best results to capture online content. Use the web page option in the Create PDF tool. Enter the page address, and let Acrobat convert the layout, text, and links into a PDF. This is perfect for saving articles, receipts, or reference pages in a consistent format that's easy to archive or share. If you've copied something to your clipboard, like a selection of text or an image, choose Clipboard. Acrobat will take whatever you've copied and turn it into a PDF in one step. This is a quick way to preserve snippets without creating a separate file first. To start from scratch, select Blank Page in the Create PDF tool and click Create. You'll get an empty canvas ready for content. Next, use the Edit option to add text, images, or form fields. Type directly onto the page, place logos or photos where you need them, and insert form fields like text boxes or checkboxes to make your document fillable. Keep your layout clean and consistent, and zoom in to align elements precisely. When you are happy with the result, go to the File menu and choose Save As. Pick a location, give your PDF a clear, descriptive name, and save. Using Save As helps you avoid overwriting older versions and keeps your files easy to find later. That's it. Thanks for watching.